Fergus offers a number of powerful business reporting tools. We'll be exploring 3 key reports that will help you gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions for your business. Let's jump right in. To access these reports, head to the top right corner of Fergus and click on the Reports button. First, let's look at the Business Performance Dashboard. The Business Performance Dashboard provides a comprehensive snapshot of your company's financial health, displaying key financial and operational metrics, such as gross and net profit, chargeable hours, and material margins, in a way that's easy to understand. It highlights potential challenge areas or issues in your business that you may want to resolve. It acts as a springboard, off which you can work out and discover steps you can take to improve or optimize the business. This report pulls together data from Fergus and Xero, so you'll need to be connected to Xero to access this information. The accuracy of the numbers shown relies on your Xero accounts being mapped to the correct Fergus accounts. If you're unsure about the mapping, your accountant will be able to help you. Now, let's take a look at what each section of this dashboard can tell you. Last 12 months. This section shows the movements of your business metrics such as sales revenue, labour and material costs, gross profit and overheads, and how they affect your net profit. To learn more about what each metric is, click on the question mark icons. Key figures. This section shows key figures in your business such as charge-out rate, overheads, and material margins. These are the figures you have the most influence over, and they'll affect the metrics above. Historical overview. Here, you can compare the month-on-month financial performance in your business over the last 12 months. To help you better understand how to read this data, be sure to check out the quick video we've included. Additionally, if you need a more detailed analysis, the historical overview can easily be exported as a CSV file for further review. Performance Simulator. This tool lets you safely test how changing your chargeable rate, overheads, or material margins can impact your bottom line. This is just a test environment and does not affect your actual profits. You can always easily go back to original figures by clicking on Revert to Original Key Figures. And just a quick reminder that the accuracy of the numbers shown on your business performance dashboard relies on your Xero accounts being mapped to the correct Fergus accounts. If you're unsure of the mapping, your accountant will be able to help you. Now, let's move on to the Business Overview Report. The Business Overview Report is a useful tool for assessing how your business is doing each month. Just like the Business Performance Dashboard, this report also consolidates data from active Xero account codes, therefore an active Xero connection is required. The Business Overview Report offers a snapshot of profits encompassing labour and materials. When Xero account codes are set correctly, this report details labour and material costs alongside expenses, purchases, and overheads to facilitate profit and loss assessments. Finally, we have the Business Activity Report. The Business Activity Report offers a comprehensive overview of business operations, key financial metrics, and profitability indicators. To start using the Business Activity Report, first select whether you'd like to view data for a 6 or 12-month period. Then choose your ending month and click Run to generate the report. This report highlights key data on labour, materials, invoicing, and payments for the selected historical period. To make the Business Activity Report more customizable, you can adjust the information displayed in each section by clicking the cog icon next to it. And that's all there is to it. If you have further questions on these reports, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.